Hey guys! In this video, I will be quickly showing you 3 varieties of cookies with simplest steps, that is, dry fruit cookies, coconut cookies and chocolate cookies. And all of these are eggless. Excited? So let's bake together. First, I am preparing the base dough for all these cookies. For this, take 1 cup of melted butter. You can also use butter with room temperature. After this, I am considering 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use wheat flour as a substitute. For 2 cups of flour, add 1 cup of sugar. If you are using 1 cup of flour, then sugar that you use should be half a cup. Add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well and form a soft dough. Now split this dough into 3 partitions. We will use the first 1/3 part for the chocolate cookies. To make this, add 4 drops of chocolate essence to it and add tiny pieces of Cadbury or chocolate chips. Considering that Cadbury will be available for everyone at any moment, I used Cadbury here. I missed the clip here. Sorry. Now grease the baking pan with butter. You can also use butter paper if you find the need. That is, if your dough is a bit too soft. Now place the cookies in the oven pan. I am just adding Cadbury on top of each cookie to give it a delicious look. After you see cookies turning brown and cracked all over and releasing butter, then it means the cookies are done. Don't serve them hot. Put them on cooling tray, let them cool and enjoy the taste. Second is the coconut cookies. Add 1 cup of grated coconut to dough. Remember not to add any flavored essence to this because coconut itself has a unique flavor associated with it. When baked, you should feel the coconut melting in your mouth to enjoy the true taste of it. Third is the dry fruit cookie. Add 4 tablespoons of cashews, 4 drops of vanilla essence and again 4 tablespoons of almonds. Mix all of these together. Similarly, bake these cookies also like the previous. Delicious cookies are ready to serve. Make it and share it with your loved ones. Enjoy them with your tea talk and let me know which one you liked the most. Before that, like, share, comment and subscribe to Sreshta's Happiness. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my another video. Bye bye.